Cool beans. Was I muted again? I was talking to people for a while, then I muted myself. Probably means that my previous streams are muted. Such is life, though. And when I go to sleep late at night, I end up not being able to function for most of the rest of the next day. So it'd be like that sometimes. I'll throw on some music, then we'll keep on going. I'm really actually a little bit happy because, as weird as to say, um, I don't know if I want to listen to that one. The BPM is a bit too high for me. Just throw in some random. So, for a split second, I know it's not a big deal, but I looked at this page and I was like, oh, is that Wikipedia? And I was like, for a split second, and then I had to look at it again and I was like, oh, wait, no, it's not. So I'm actually, I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool, actually. Uh, So we have to think about the info box tokenizer. I think I talked a lot of shit about web dev, and I bet you guys didn't hear me talk shit about it. I was saying psycho shit, like if I had $1 billion, I would dedicate my whole entire life to hiring engineers and like rewriting a lot of the web dev architecture to like be better. Uh, alright, W, no. God, I used to be so much better at programming. I should probably use the same one. I would like to figure. Uh, do we use plain in multiple places? We better. And of course we do. Are images for info boxes. Now, how do you think we should handle that? I'm not sure they make sense to be in the table. To handle captions and alt text. So, deep beep beep. Chaknas. God, I can't believe I'm spending so much time on an info box. It matters though. It's on every single page. Every single one. Uh, I see. Anybody else in the world? Demeaning and pathetic. Okay, let's try. Oh, duh. Oh, listening to these things makes me sad sometimes. Can you guys see that? I bet you can. There we go. There's something a little bit wrong with that. It's not terrible, but there's something wrong with it. And we definitely should have this at the top of it. I should learn NeoVim. What the fuck? Give me a random page about who the fuck is this guy? It's fun. So it does go above here. That's what I'm missing. Is it? We don't have to like modify. We don't have to be exactly like Wikipedia, but No, it's not too late to start programming at 15. Jesus, is this a troll? You just program when you want to, man. The way to get good at programming is to get obsessed about something. Just to do it. The best way to get good at programming is not to learn it at a job, that's for sure. Are you 15? I'm assuming you are. Mr. Samet 909090. Okay. I figured out the one thing. If you look at the Wikipedia page for Elon Musk. Oh man. I'm not sick. I'm just always like this. It seems like I'm always like this. I think I might have allergies or something. So like what? I'm assuming you're in high school, right? Or are you like a troll or something like that? Who fucking knows? Like what? Why? Here's the question. Like why do you want to get good at programming? Like why? Like if you're doing it for a job, you're never gonna get good at it. Like you have to do it because you want to build something. I mean, like maybe. I mean, sorry, I shouldn't say for a job. If you wanna, that's the wrong way to phrase it. Centered and also. What I do is flexible. Okay, so you're doing this because you want to be good at this thing, which is good. If you just want to be good at programming and not, and you don't want to be like obsessed with a specific project. The way I got into it was I wanted to build video games. So I was like, I'm just going to build this shit. And I did. And most of it failed, but I still tried doing it anyways. And that's how I learned how to do it. Um, the thing I would say is if you're trying to do AI engineering stuff or software engineering stuff, just start fucking building some AI stuff. Like, do it as soon as you can. Go and fucking get PyTorch or whatever and just start building it. Like, that's what you need to do. And it doesn't matter if you're fucking 12 or you're 35. You just need to build it as soon as you can. Like, do you at least know how to build like a basic LLM, like GPT-2 or whatever? Um, I think I started right before high school, so like 13 or something like that, but I wasn't good. I think I did most of it during high school. So, and like to be honest with you, I stopped programming for almost a decade. Like I'm only re-picking it up now. And what kind of program did you follow? I looked up shit online. I looked up stuff I was building in Unity 3D for the most part. So I was doing C sharp things. And whatever game dev stuff was related, I think I tried some Python stuff at one point. I did Java at one point because I was doing Minecraft mods for a little bit. But like, I don't know. Like to get good at something, you just have to do it, man. Like getting good at something is not learning about it or technical stuff. So that's fine. You only know a few things about Python, right? You don't need to. Here's the great thing with AI now, with like especially programming AI. You don't need to know jack shit about how Python works to build something in it now. What you could do is you could download Cursor right now. I don't know if you have $20, you could convince your parents to give you $20, but you could get Cursor or some AI like ChatGPT or something like that, and you can just fucking go. And then you don't have to know about how to actually program it yourself. You can say, I would like to do this task. What do you think the best way to do it is? And then you can figure out from talking to it the best way to do it. And inevitably, it's going to fuck up, right? Because these AIs are not good at scaling out large projects. They're good at solving small technical ones. But the fact is, you're going to fuck up at some point because you're relying on this thing. And then you're going to learn why these tools don't work for certain things. And then you're going to be forced to learn Python more. And what you can do is you can just ask it about the Python that you're building and what you can do, and then figure out how to build the program in a way that you like it. So right now, you can just go. You can just run and go ahead and get Cursor and just start building things. The only thing is like you have to figure out a way to eat the cost for these large language models that you're making calls to. But that's my suggestion. Just get Cursor, man. Like it's so stupid. I actually feel kind of stupid for using Cursor for programming right now, but like at this point, I feel like I just have to do it. With Flutter, after learning Python. No, 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 no. You're thinking about this wrong. You're thinking about this wrong. Do not attempt to learn something. Do not attempt to learn Python. Just do. Just fuck the idea of learning stuff. Don't decide to learn a skill. Just do things in the skill and you will learn it by doing things. Like your skill should be building stuff. It shouldn't be Python. It should be building the application you want. What's Flutter? I don't think I've heard of it before. Build apps for any screen. Yeah, sure. If there's some UI library that works with this, right, go for it. There's like 50 of these that you could try. Like, here's the other thing too. Like, just talking about what I'm doing right now, I had no idea how web dev works. I just kind of vibed into it when I was looking in this project. I don't know how this shit works. I just kind of built it. Also, like, if you just decide you're going to learn Python, Python is fucking massive. There is a billion things going on in Python. Like, that's like saying you want to learn the dictionary. Like, it's just too big. Like, you have to learn the things that are relevant to you. Like, sorry, I'm a little bit, my personality comes off as a little bit aggressive sometimes. I'm sorry if I'm coming off that way. Um, I'm just saying that the right way to think about it is building a product and not just learning a skill. So, you're welcome, I guess. Okay, do you watch YouTube videos about programming? That's a good way to get into it too. So, let me pull this up. A good way, this is so weird, but a good way to learn about programming is to watch YouTube videos about it. Don't take Udemy courses. Don't take Udemy courses. Just build. Because like everything on Udemy you can find on YouTube. A good way to learn programming is to just watch YouTube videos about it. Like this guy right here, Theo, right? He puts interesting videos. He has interesting videos, right? Watch him. And also Watch the Primogen too, and you will like pick up stuff just by listening to them talk about shit. Let me get the other one really quickly. The Primogen. This guy here. Just like you will learn stuff by watching these videos, not like don't watch them to learn stuff. Just watch them because they're fun. Watch them because they're interesting. And then because they are related to programming, you will implicitly pick up a bunch of stuff inside of because you are listening to their content. Like like watch YouTube videos about interesting shit. Like here's one thing, right? If I were you, right? This is this is me personally. Um, I don't know how much you know about Python, but it has performance issues, right? Right? You don't have to know much about what the fuck's going on in Python. You don't need to know about the like low level shit. But like I bet you, like if you wanted to learn about Python a little bit more, you could type some meme level shit. Why Python sucks. And you'll get like 10 videos here about like why Python sucks that are interesting and fun to listen to. You just got to do it for fun, man. So those are my top 10 suggestions, I guess. I watched the course and write without looking at it later and try to do simple things like a calculator. Yeah, you could do that. Um, there's one other, God, there's another website I want to send to you that's really good too. Let me see if I can find it. Build your own X. Okay, you should try this too. If you want to learn how to program, right? This page right here is called Build Your Own X. Like, if you want to learn how something works, a particular tool, like I said, you just go build it yourself. This GitLab repo, GitHub repo, has 50 million different things and projects for you to understand how things work. And if you want to figure out how to do, I don't know, like let's say you want to do a neural network, you want to do AI stuff, right? You're going to have to build a neural network at some point. This GitLab repo, go here, click neural network. There's all of these down here you could use to build neural networks. And if you want to learn Python too while you're at it, the first thing I see here, Python, a neural network in 11 lines of Python, right? You could go, you could build this, and you could follow this stuff down here in order to learn more and figure out what's going on. So I do suggest if you want to learn how to do programming, just like fucking go to this page and just start building shit inside of here that seem interesting to you. How should I make a daily program because I cannot do a project without learning the subject? I don't exactly follow. I don't know what a daily program is here. Like, you learn by doing. you don't you have the order of operations wrong. You're thinking you need to learn in order to do something, right? It's like you start by learning and then you do it over here. Programming is one of the few things in the world where that is not the case. If you're talking about if you're talking about chemical engineering, like you're trying to get one chemical product into another chemical product, you need to understand all of the chemistry before you can even start to build like a lab that might get the forms of chemicals from one point to another. With programming, it is not the case that you need to learn something before doing it because there are no barriers to entry, unlike in most fields. In chemistry, you need money. You need to convince people to give you money in order to do something, and that means that you have to learn how to do it beforehand, and there's a lot of downside. With programming, the only downside is the amount of time you have. Um, that's it. And the way to think about this is that you the doing part implies the learning part. It's not that the learning part implies the doing part. There are so many people too that I know personally that emphasize the learning part and they don't know how to get shit done. They don't know anything. Oh, I see. That's not fun. Yeah, school sucks. But you also have like summers and stuff too, I'm assuming, to just like grind out stuff too. Look, choose something you want to do. Choose something super cool. Choose AI or something and do something ridiculous that you likely cannot do, right, without a fuck ton of hours, and just try it because you will fail. Like, and failing is fine. You're in high school. You won't have like millions of dollars of money like on your head or something like that that people are expecting to earn back from you because you took a loan. You don't have anything like that. In high school, you can just decide to do whatever the fuck you want, and there really aren't many consequences except for time. And yes, I get it. You don't want to just waste your time doing something if you think it's going to fail. But, like, I gotta be honest, man, you will learn more by doing and failing way more in high school and even college than you will if you just decide to, like, learn and then do in like your first job or something like that. Like like failing at projects because you don't have time in high school will make you better than your peers if because they're not going to do that. Your peers are going to say, "Oh no, I can't do this. I need to learn this subject in high school. I need to learn how this thing works before I do it." And they're going to wait and they're going to wait and they're just going to learn some basic bitch CS stuff in college and then they're going to be like mid-level programmers because they didn't actually build anything. And even if you fail at building things, which you will build shit and it's not going to work because you built something and you failed at it, you will know more than your peers about building things, and therefore you will be more likely to get a job in AI when you graduate college than all these other fuckers will. So choose something ridiculous. Dude, man, the best doesn't matter. Do you really think Mark Zuckerberg is the best at programming? He's not. He's very good at it. Well, actually, hold up. If you want to be the best, go be the best. You're going to have to spend a fuck ton of hours working on it, though. Just be aware of that, which means that, like, you're gonna have to do it like after school all the time. You're gonna have to spend all of your time at it. But hey, you'll be better than your peers, and you'll be making a bajillion dollars by the time you get out of college. I don't know, man. I'm just giving you my thoughts on it. Man. How to help her? Find her. beep beep. No problem. I hope you do well, man. Get some AI stuff, build some software, and more importantly, don't give a shit about whether you fail or not. Just do it, man. Sure, man. You'd be surprised how many engineers are retarded, man. I'm retarded, and I'm an engineer. It's actually really interesting. Like, I can't believe I spent I found so many stupid things at work. Hmm. So I guess I'm a little bit confused. So we get to Elon Musk here. So this is interesting here. Somehow we convert the page over, and we get the name for the page in it. God, so much fucking category shit. God, I hate how each sentence here is not separated in this page. Mm. How does... God, fucking audible. Beep, 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 beep. Alright. Oh, that's interesting. God damn it. Woo! Are you kidding me? Wow. Oh, man. Yeah, it's interesting. I don't know, like learning how to program. It's so nice that you can just do it compared to everything else. So, What I'm trying to do right now is I just want to get it so this thing shows up here at the top. Because, like, that's how this page on Wikipedia is set up. It doesn't need to be as huge, but it still should be there. Because I feel like this, like, of course I have to solve these problems to make the occupation and stuff work. Uh, but, but, it does have to look nice, and this is going to be one thing that I would like to put in there. After that, I think we'll solve the birth date stuff, birth date and age stuff here. Cool. Because, like, that's going to be on everybody's pages. Token registry dot page slug. The wave. The wave. Not the wave. You might be on top of the wave. Not the wave. If you were stellar. Okay, what kind of oversimplified entertainment? Fuck. Who's a good boy? This is what I mean by like AI doesn't know how to like manage projects very well. It just knows how to solve individual things. It's like, oh, we'll pass a parameter into it. It's like, well, bitch, how do you pass the parameter in it? Like, how do you get it there? It's like, think, boy. Come on. God, I have no food. I need to get food today. I don't want to get food though. I have ground beef and rice, basically. Oh! infinite. I'm gonna pass. I'll be right back. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Okay. Infinite. I'm on Postgres. There we go. Let's see. Did it go? Let's inspect it. Is it okay? The word about your loss. We make it a title element. Distance run. There isn't much difference. It's about the same size, just a little bit smaller. Okay. They'll be happy. Wisdom. Our culture is so unwise. Oh, I see. All right. Two drowning people is not an improvement over one. Where the fuck is this? It's in my styles somewhere. Is it in my wiki skin shit? Sidebar block dot title. Am I reading that right? But if the font size is already, that's already a type. What? Okay. Make friends with people who want the best for you. So sidebar block dot title. Does it not have that on it? That this is a title. Okay. Let's change this to 150. Hold up. Did I just 150%? I think that changed it. Did it? Let's change it to like 10%. Yeah, let's change it. It's changed. So 150. What is it right now? It's 150. Okay. You have a slightly bigger margin. What's the difference? Margin, border, and padding, right? So it's the margins, the outside of it. Hmm. Let's just try that. It's a better. That's nice, actually. Hmm. The fuck is in utilities.css? Yeah, I remember vaguely making this. Fuck. Hold the fuck up. I guess we do have to do it that way. God, it's so stupid. Love the view. I don't think we use those anymore, don't we? I'm gonna give a new fucking. I know what's going on. Looks like an import issue. No, I need to eat food. I don't want to think about it though. Garbanza beans. Oh wait. I'm gonna let it just think for a second. God, I know. I know the styling is all fucked up, but CSS is fucked up too. So was HTML. So was JavaScript, for God's sake. Don't get me started on that shit. Fine, fine. I'll just fucking eat the garbanzo beans. Garbanzo beans. Don't underestimate the power of truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. I can just eat these, can't I? Yeah, I can. It won't taste good, but I can just eat them. Take. That's it. Bloody surf. Miserable worm. Nothing but resentment. Say what you think carefully. Bucko. Alright. Alright. I know I'm being lazy and I should have just done it myself. It's been an hour. I need to get some food from the grocery store. And I'll probably walk the dog afterwards. Are you sniffing? Why it takes so long? Oh no. My headset's fucked. Is it my headset? Or did the audio just stop? Nope, it's my headset. There we go. Okay, so what's some connection issue? Okay. So I think, yeah, so these were from the old system we were doing. That was terrible. The fuck? Where? That probably needs more context than that. Okay. It's a margin, right? Yeah, it's a margin. Is that it? Yep, that's it. I think it's. What? Mm, Actually, hold up. It is from a dot. Okay. Chicanery. Life is a chicanery. Everything you got. to have this in the project, right? What? Tailwind. Interesting. That's interesting. That is interesting. It's the wrong one. Hmm? Oh. Why is there so much goddamn CSS here? What the fuck? Why is this even applied? want fucking React. Oh, that's not the one I care about. Rose Slate. Why do we have both a prose and base? Oh, I see. Yeah. I think that should automatically rerun, right? Oh, that's interesting. So when I change that, I wish I could keep this stickied. So when I change it, I guess I'll change it on the other screen. So if I get rid of max with none, then it's all fucked up. Control Y. Control Y. So I do want the slate. Interesting. Okay. I need to go get some groceries soon. More than you value yourself. I need to be complimenting Wikipedia more. I keep on talking shit, but like they really did do a good job with what they did. Oh, I see. Ah, I'm not actually no. Is this right? No, it's not. Are these default? I don't know why, but I feel like I'm gonna get a worse answer if I don't type it out properly. a good puppy. Day after week after month after year after month after year. Day after week after month after year. Day after week after month after year. Ah. I feel a little bit odd about it, but I guess it works. Much better. Modi. Just because you see a dog don't mean shit. Alright, I gotta go to the grocery store. Get some food. I'll be back.